Closing market comments for Friday, November the 13th. Grains all closed higher today after opening lower last night. It was a quiet day overall on news today with not a lot of fresh news coming into the market. Export sales for the week were announced. Corn at 38.5 million. That's down from 102.8 million the previous week and above last year at 31.0, with 28 to 63 expected and 25.1 million needed per week. Year-to-date sales on corn are 1,046 million. That's up from last year at 316.8 million. So 3 times the sales year-to-date right now. Soybean sales for the week were 54.0, down slightly from last week at 56.2, and right on with last year at 53.6, with 29 to 66 expected and only 8.5 needed per week. Year-to-date sales on beans are 1,106 million compared to 417 million last year at this time. Wheat sales 11.0 million. That's down from 21.9 last week, but above last year at 8.8, with 7 to 26 expected and 12.0 needed per week. Year-to-date sales on wheat also ahead, 211.3 million compared to 145.4 million a year ago. Soybean meal sales were 145.4 thousand metric tons. That's down from 331.4 thousand last week and 262.4 thousand last year. But year-to-date sales at 3,596,000. That's up from 3,228,000 a year ago. Soybean oil sales at 88.0. If you remember, we had a big sale to India last week. That's up from 6,800 and 3,800 a year ago, 3,800,000 tons. And that year-to-date sales 174,200 compared to 132,200. So strong sales in all the grains and the products right now. We know this year's front-loaded, especially in the soybeans and the complexes. We'll have to see whether we can continue to keep sales rolling going forward. Weekly commitment to traders will not be released till Monday, but funds are expected to be long today 265,000 contracts of beans, 324,100 contracts of corn, and 41,600 contracts of wheat. So we'll see where they were on Tuesday. The report that comes out Monday will be as of last Tuesday, the 10th, the day of the report. And as expected, those numbers are going to be quite a bit higher. So we'll see where they come out. China is expected to sign a trade agreement today with Japan, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, and 10 other Asian countries. So we'll see what impact that might have going forward. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.